Day, God keeps his promises. Key verse. For no word from God will ever fail. Luke 1 verse 37. Children's lesson. Have you ever made a promise? Maybe you promised to clean your room or share your toys. Sometimes we forget our promises, but God never forgets his. A long time before Jesus was born, God promised to send a savior. People waited and waited and waited. Took hundreds of years. But God was not late. He was preparing the perfect time. When Jesus came, it showed everyone that God always keeps his promises. Always. So when you feel worried or scared or unsure, you can remember. God keeps his word and he cares for you. Recipe: Promise hot cocoa mix. A cozy treat kids can make and store for later. Just like waiting for God's promises. Ingredients: 2 cups powdered milk, 1 cup cocoa powder, 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 cup mini marshmallows, 1/2 cup chocolate chips. Optional. Instructions: in a bowl, mix powdered milk, cocoa powder, and powdered sugar. Stir until everything is blended. Pour into a jar. Add mini marshmallows and chocolate chips on top. To serve, mix 3 tablespoons of cocoa mix into 1 cup hot water or warm milk. Bible thought: just like you wait for your cocoa to warm up, people waited for Jesus. And when the time was right, God kept his promise. He always does.